Beautiful kitchenware, 3-quart digital air fryer. Well, we're going to see about that. She's 3-quart capacity. It cost me $39.96. And the other one that Walmart had was like $39.12. And looking online, that there's like $28. So I guess you get better deal online than you do in store. But the other one was not digital. It had a little turn knob thing, see right here. So we got patent pending Turbocrisp technology, 75% less fat and a 3-quart capacity. Let's get in here and see what we have. Opening the box, we just flip this out, make something beautiful. We have a quick start guide. We have our registration, scan that and you can register it. We got our top cover, there's our power cable. And it looks like this should just pull out of here in one piece, and there's our whole unit. That's not a bad size. Nothing hiding in the bottom. We have an empty box. Well, go ahead and take this plastic off. Looks like there's some tape holding the door shut, so have fun getting that off. Both sides. Ooh, oh, it's the tape that doesn't, oh no. Oh, we're going to have to clean that off. Oh, no. That's not good. Okay. Not too bad. Now, can we open? Yes, we can. Do not plug this directly in. We have our owner's manual. I'll make sure to look through that. Oh, boy. A lot of reading. Got a little tray. Make sure you wash this off. Here ahead too. I'm probably going to run it a little bit with nothing in it just to bake all the Chinese goodness out of here. Thumbing through the quick start guide, this guy is supposed to sit in here with the tabs down. I guess that's so you can grab onto this. And it sits like that down in there somehow. I don't know if that's very well thought out. There she goes. Just like that. They do recommend using soapy water to clean this. And of course, you don't really want to do too much cleaning down on this. You don't want to get a bunch of water in here. You can wipe it down with a damp rag, clean it off, call it good. I will say this thing's kind of a pain to get in now. You gotta get these little tabs in the sides here, but it does have a little place you can squeeze and pull up. But you want to put this guy all the way at the bottom. It's basically, there's a spacer for airflow. Well, thumbing through the manual, it's pretty straightforward to use. It's got some ideas of what temperatures and how long things should take, so that's a good thing to go off of. Definitely want to save this. We're going to go off what the bag says, I think. Okay, we're going to be cooking Arby's seasoned curly fries, because I love these things. And the air fryer, if you can read that, wants me to preheat the fryer to 360 degrees and cook half a bag. Well, we're not cooking half a bag of it. For 12 to 14 minutes and shake halfway through. The Tyson chicken fries, crispy chicken fries. These things are actually really good too. Air fryer preheat to 390 degrees. So this wants a hotter temperature and it wants 9 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and do the fries first because they're a lower temperature to cook at. And then we'll crank the temp up. So let's go ahead and plug this into a wall outlet. Don't plug it into an extension cord. Everything comes on, shuts off, and we have a flashing power button here. Go ahead and push that. And now we have air fry, roast, reheat, or bake. We want air fry. We can choose our time. It goes up to an hour. And we can click here and choose our temp. It goes up to 400. And what's our bottom range? You can also hold for a quick dial. 170 is on our low. Looking through the manual one more time, we turn it on, and each of these modes just adjust the automatic default for it. Look, this here is 400 degrees, and this one puts it at 400, reheats at 250, oops, and bakes at 350. So it just gives you a quick default between the settings. So like this here is set at 15 minutes. Reheat's going to be at 5 minutes. So, you know, it just depends on what you want. Bakes at 24 minutes. Now we want to preheat this to 360. So we'll throw that in, hit our power button. We hit any of them really. Bring our temp down to 360. Our time, 17 minutes should be fine. We'll hit start. And she'll fire up. And it'll let us know when we get there. I will say that fan takes off. There is a vent on the back. So make sure that's clear. It kind of quieted down. I will say there's a little bit of a smell. So maybe let this run a little bit before you go putting food in it. So normally to preheat, you would wait about 3 to 5 minutes and it'll come up to temperature. I let it go a little bit longer and kind of bake that smell off. And that smell did go away. So we're going to go ahead. Oh yeah, if you go to shut it off, it goes into a cooling cycle. Don't straight unplug it. Let it cool itself down. We don't want to do that though. I keep hitting it because that's where I want to put my thumb to pull on this. Okay, you go to pull the tray, it will shut off. We're going to throw our fries in there now. I'm going to give it a good handful or so. Yeah, that's good and hot. Oh, they're sizzling already. Kind of shake it around. I bet this gets hot enough I could do both. We'll do one, and then we'll do the other, and then we'll try both. Oh boy. I guess that's about half a bag. Okay, and it said we want it there for 12 to 14 minutes. So time, go ahead and reset that to 14 and I will see you in 12. Oh yeah, we got to stop and shake about halfway through. Make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe if you're enjoying this. Hopefully this turns out good. All right, let's see how she's doing. Ooh, ooh. I'll give her a little shake, shake, shake. Pop it back in. I'm liking that, actually. Getting getting crispy. Honestly, that's turned out pretty good, though. Crispy. Like it. We got a minute left. Honestly, it gets a little warm, but it's not too bad. It's not going to burn you if you touch it, so that's a plus. Oh, she beeps. Beeps twice, okay. Don't forget about it. At least it shuts off. Now we can serve our fries up. They look good. They look really... Maybe I overdid it just a hair. Might have overdid it just a hair. Those are really good. Boy, that's better than the oven gets. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I like it. Let's get these nuggets in here. Sorry. $3.90. We want to bring this guy up. And I'm not going to bother preheating it because it's already pretty hot. And we're going to throw a handful of nuggies in there. What? These we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. We'll fill the bottom. 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11. 12. Maybe that'd be something like that. Oops, pushing buttons. Yeah, we'll go 13 just to... Alright. Darn it, I pushed the button. Air fry. We want 390 for 9 minutes. And start. And we'll be back. Those did really good. Really happy with that. Yeah, some of these are really crispy. I think I should have stopped a couple minutes sooner. 3 minutes remain. Let's have a look at them. Honestly, I kind of like them a little soft, but we'll let it go the rest. No. Stay at it. You had 3 minutes. Okay, they're done. Well, done. We will see. Oh no! On the floor again. We lost another one. Anyway, getting that out of there. We're going to have to work on that. But, I don't know, it was a little floppy. Probably could go in a little longer. Cooked all the way through, though. Not bad. Might want to let it go a little longer than 9 minutes if you're wanting it crispy. But I can live with that. Now, we'll try these old olrida crispy fries. And they want preheat 400 and 8 to 10 minutes. So this one wants even hotter. Now this time, I'm going to try my own thing. We're going to do 400. But we're going to throw some of these guys in, some of the nuggets in, and some of the curly fries in. And see how well that does. See if I can just combine all of them. Throw a little more of them in, I think. Okay, I'll go get some nuggets and fries. So we got 9, 10, and 12. So we're going to average it out and do about 10 minutes at 400. Here's what they look like. We're going to average it out at like 10 minutes at 400. And we'll see where that gets us. Well, we're halfway there at 400. Do we dare have a look? That's starting to crisp up. Those are... It's not bad, not bad. It's getting cooked through. That might be the ticket. We'll give her another 5. Okay, let's see what 10 minutes at 400 got us. Honestly, that's pretty crispy. That's pretty crispy. And that's acceptable. So, yeah, everything seems cooked through. We'll dump these out. Try not to... I need a bigger bowl. I need a better way to do this. Ah! No! Poor fries getting lost in it. No! Alright, well, some made it out. Enough for us to try. Okay. What a mess. Anyway, we'll shut you off. Let that cool down. And we'll try the crispy fries. How are they? I mean, yeah, they got crisp to them. How about the Arby's fry? Oh, that's the right amount. The nugget, a little soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. 10 minutes at 400. That's where it's at for any of these. Cool. Well, we figured it out. I'm not going to try other stuff in this. This was just a fry test. This took longer than it should have. But for, 10 minutes, a little bit of... But for 15 minutes, that's really not bad to get it. And they seem to do a really good job. Leave a like, hit subscribe. Recommend this thing. Seems like it'll be easy enough to clean out. Pull that tray out once it cools off. Rinse her down. Should be good to go. I will see you in the next one. I'm not going to try other foods in this. I just bought it for these. And that's about all I needed an oven for. Have a great day, everyone.